Hey there, dessert enthusiasts. Ready to expand your sweet horizons? Today, we're taking a mouth-watering journey into the world of Asian desserts. While Western desserts often go all in on sweetness, Malay treats like to keep things interesting with a balance of sweet, savory, and sometimes even spicy flavors. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia, where kuehs, the local dessert, reigns supreme. These bite-sized treats come in all colors of the rainbow and are perfect for when you want just a little something sweet. Yeah, right. We all know one piece is never enough. Let's zoom in on Ondeh Ondeh. These little green balls might look like alien eggs, but trust me, they're out of this world delicious. Pandan-flavored dough, filled with liquid palm sugar and rolled in coconut. When you bite into one, it's like a sweet explosion in your mouth. If that intrigues you, look into attending a dessert-making class. If that's not practical, your next best option is to join a virtual dessert club where video recipes, discussions, and passion for all things sweet and nice takes place. Check out links in the description below. You may not be familiar with Malay dessert ingredients. A large part of it comes from local fruits and plants, like the infamous durian. Love it or hate it, you've got to try it at least once. Then you have the various types of flour. Glutinous rice flour may be something you are not familiar with. Don't let the name fool you. It's got no gluten, but it will make your desserts chewier than a rubber band. In a good way. It's the secret behind that delightful mochi texture we all love. And let's not forget coconut. It's the Swiss Army knife of Asian desserts. The water, the flesh, the milk. Every part is used. It's not just an ingredient, it's a lifestyle. Let's talk cooking techniques now. First up, steaming. It's like giving your dessert a spa day. Moist, gentle, and utterly relaxing. Steaming tip. If you don't have a fancy steamer, don't sweat it. A large pot, a heat-proof plate, and some creativity can work wonders. Just please, don't forget to add water to the pot. And let's not forget deep frying, because sometimes you just need to live a little dangerously. Deep frying gives us crispy delights like sesame balls, crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first attempt at wrapping sticky rice in banana leaves might look less masterpiece, and more my kid's art project. But hey, it'll still taste great. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of Asian desserts. They're colorful, they're fun, and they're waiting for you to make them. Don't be intimidated. Start with something simple like mango sticky rice, and before you know it, you'll be whipping up kuehs like a pro. Remember, cooking is an adventure, so grab those pandan leaves, embrace the sweet chaos, and let's get cooking. Be sure to join our dessert club and join in our culinary adventure.